Hello guys, welcome back to the Mexican food channel. In today's video, we're making this delicious Raspados de Fresa. Let's start off with the strawberries. Here we have about 2 pounds of strawberries. We're going to remove the strawberry leaves so that we can get them ready to be washed. After you remove the leaves from the strawberries, make sure you thoroughly wash all the strawberries. Okay, now that I'm all done, I'm going to take them to get washed. Now that they're all washed, I'm just going to add them to this bowl. Now we're going to remove the stem. Here I'm using this peeler. I think it helps remove it quite easily. All done. Now we're just going to cut the strawberries into small slices. I'm going to leave a little bit of strawberries on the side to use later as a garnish on top of the raspa. Add your strawberry slices into a blender. Next, you're going to add a little bit of water, just enough to cover the strawberries. Next ingredient is strawberry extract. You're going to add 1 tablespoon into the strawberries. Next, we have red food coloring. You're going to add about 2 drops of the red food coloring and try to use the healthy kind. Next, we're going to add a half a cup of sugar. And then we're going to take it to blend. Here I'm just going to add my strawberry syrup into this measuring cup. Now for the strawberries we saved from earlier, I'm going to chop them up a little bit more and add it into the strawberry syrup. Give it a quick mix. And it's serving time. My 2 cups, and one of them I added sweetened condensed milk. It goes great with the strawberry syrup. For my other cup, it's gonna be all strawberry. You're gonna add your syrup at the bottom. It should look something like this. I just want to take a quick moment to remind you guys to please like and subscribe to our channel. Okay, back to the recipe. Our next ingredient will be the crushed ice. I just got regular ice cubes and blended it, and this is how it turned out. You don't really need a fancy machine to crush your ice. You're just going to fill it up all the way to the top with ice. And it should turn out to look something like this. Now you're going to add your strawberry syrup all over the top. And there you have it, guys. Delicious, all-natural Raspados de Fresa. We have the all-natural Raspado de Fresa, and we also have the one with the crema. I love them both. They both taste so amazing. These are perfect for the summer heat. Now I'm gonna make a little one for my little nephew. Kids usually love these. It's a great snack for them. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe and try it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.